Hey, it's Derick, Gant, and this is Financial Literacy Month. Now, I know that I got 30 seconds to grab your attention. And I know that you may think, well, he's not talking to me. I'm financially literate. I make and stack cash. I'm talking to you. Did you know that 51% of people making $100,000 or more are still living check to check? They are still hamstrings stuck, not to mention the debt that they're carrying on top of the fact that they're living check to check, paying 25, 29% interest on credit cards, running balances because of vacations and gifts and Amazon. You know what? It is crazy to think that people making that much money are still struggling. If you're making 50 to 100, you're not in much better shape. You know, you are still carrying credit card debt, you still living check to check, and it is still uncomfortable for you to maneuver your life in a way that delivers more joy, more peace, and more happiness because the money is messing with you. Well, this month, Financial Literacy Month, we're going to present to you a series of literacy videos that pertain to people that are making from 50 to 100 to 250. You know what? If you are not keeping more than your month expenses, you're living check to check. You got to figure this out. We got to change the way we look at money, the way we handle money, and we have to stop playing the money game like a loser. You're not a loser, but you're acting like a loser. Let's start winning the money game. How do we do that? First thing that we want to do is we want to gain complete and total financial control. You need to control your money. You should be dictating where your dollars are going. Your dollars should not be screaming at you because they have to go to your bills. So you weren't created to go to work and then die. You were created to create a better life for yourself, your loved ones, your circle, your family. There's no reason that you should be going on vacation worried about how you're going to pay for it when you get home because you overextended yourself on a credit card. It's not what it's all about. So we want to start with financial control. Then we're going to move to financial security. I don't know why they call it a security blanket, but let me tell you something. Having $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 in cash is the nice start to a great financial security blanket. You know, you like loved ones in your life because you know you're safe and secure with them. You like that specific store because you trust that they're going to have the things that you want the way you want them. But let's start with financial security at home. Let's take control. Let's get secure. And then we're going to dive into some abundance. How can we get your money making you more money? Above that, there's self-mastery. And then finally, there's freedom. We will not be touching self-mastery or freedom this month. We have enough to share with you between the security, between the control, and between the abundance to get you going so that abundantly you have more money than month, because that's what you deserve. I hope you decide you deserve it. I hope you decide that, you know what, listen to this dude. I need to be in control of my money. I need to have money making me money. I need more money in my 401k account. I need to be able to secure my bonus and see it sitting in my account making me more money a year from now. Most people get their tax refund. It's gone before they actually get it in their direct deposit. Gone. That's not a way to live your life. I know you deserve some fun things, but let's take control, let's get secure, and then let's live abundantly, having our money make us more money. I'm Derick Gant. I want you to be your best, bring your best, reach out. We're happy to talk to you one-on-one, and I hope that if you have questions, you'll just click the button, write us a comment, and we're happy to answer each and every one of your questions. Have a great day.